getting a little bit of morning sunshine. The most forgotten nutrient, more important than any macronutrient. Full spectrum sunlight from the only full spectrum light device in existence. And had breakfast, which was some grass-fed tenderloins, which are a really lean cut, but they're just so good and soft here. But cooked them in a bunch of tallow, and then had a whole bunch of bone marrow also to get the fats up. Marrow is one of my favorite foods. As far as like a carnivorous style diet, I'm not a big fan of like the just straight meat and salt thing. I like to add copious amounts of animal fats. So I'm using some tallow that we rendered here at home. We actually show you how to make tallow in the KETO-CARNIVORE Edge cookbook. There'll be a link down in the description. We've got a whole bunch of really good grass-fed beef tallow, so I put a couple tablespoons of that, a couple tablespoons of the grass-fed butter, and had a bunch of bone marrow with it as well. But me and the kids are getting ready right now. We're gonna head out today, and we're gonna go up to our land. We actually, in the last couple weeks, we finally finalized the purchase of a little piece of land here in Ecuador. We lived here 8 years, and yeah, we finally got some land that, for us, it's kind of perfect. So I'll give you guys a quick little glimpse at what we're gonna be working with over there. And there's some cows up there as well. We got 10 cows. So but yeah, we'll show you all that stuff, show you our little journey today, and we'll see what I eat at the end of the day. Probably be some more meat, and probably cook it in tallow again. But we'll see what's up. We're gonna have a little picnic up in the land. Are you getting too fat? Get up there, old lady. Come on, jump. Inside, Daisy. Come on, inside. Go. Yeah, go. Inside. Yeah, go. Go, Daisy. Good girl. Ribeye. I'll just put you in. Alright, you might have to hold ribeye in your lap. Daisy, get in the back. I puked. Ariana's reaction was so sweet. She was so understanding, even though it got all over her leg. Time to clean up dog puke. Down here we got a bunch of fruit trees. We got 2 kids with a GoPro. Puppy and Daisy. But there's bananas. A bunch of different types of oranges and lemons. There's cherry moyas. There's a little orange tree over here. There's cherry moyas. Just a bunch of citrus. A little citrus grove kind of down here. Ari, be nice, let him play too. Daisy's got a chew toy. One of Daisy's favorite pastimes is trying to rip tree stumps out of the ground. Wow, she's such an impressive dog. So yeah, loads of trees, and then we've got a little spot, a little bodega up here. It's almost a house. I mean, we wouldn't really want to live in here. We'd probably change it to like some sort of a garage / workspace. And the area where we're probably going to put our house is up above, which you can't really see from here because of the trees. But it's super nice over here. There's a cherimoya tree, several cherimoya trees. There's a bunch of avocado trees. We had to emergency wash the car, so I ended up washing like the whole car. Look what I found. This isn't from mine. I did all the wiring, and that's not from my car. Someone's like wiring harness got all wrapped up in my truck here. I'm trying to pull it apart, but goes. The nice thing about the Monster liner that I use inside and out is you can just basically hose down. You just hose down the inside if your puppy pukes all over it. I threw a new bumper on it. Got this DIY 4x bumper. Check it out, with the swing down tire carrier. These are all blackberries. Well, they're like these little black raspberries. Check out this nice tree. So pretty. Then up here, there's like a little hub with a like a water trough and some spots for putting salt down for the cows. And then it's divided up so we can pasture them on that side or on this side. There's 4 little sections where you can allow the pasture to grow while the cows are pasturing over on the other side. Oops, dropped the salt. You guys want to open it for me? Thanks.
I'll get that salt bag.
Thank you so much, little lady. Here, a lot of people they just use these tires for putting the salt in for the cows. So I'll put the salt in the little tires, and the cows will lick them up. Here's for the water.
Can I
Cows' water. Yeah, put one in that one, and then I'll fill up the other ones. So then you can so you got a gate up there, and then 2 openings here. So that side the cows can pasture for a while this side grows, and vice versa. And there's a bunch of trees, these fikey trees. All these fikey trees drop these beans in the dry season. And it's a very nitrogen rich thing, so it kind of keeps them going when there's not a lot of pasture. Like right now it's the middle of the dry season, it's almost ending. It's the driest time of year and there's not a lot of fresh, fast growing grass. And they can eat the fikey beans during this time. There you go. Perfect.
Okay. That one?
And then the cows will just...
This one over here, rather?
You gotta pick up the trash too. Don't just leave it.
Realize you need stuff.
This is where we're talking about building our house. Hopefully we're gonna build a house here. Hopefully soon we're gonna build a house here. I think we're pretty much set on this spot. It's already flat, super stable. We can move some more earth over there if we need to. The house will probably come up to about here, and see, we'll be able to see our little bodega and stuff down there, and this will be the view. The sun rises over there, sets over there.
There you come. No.
You want to go walk up there?
Yeah.
Let's do it. We can drive all the way to the top. Kind of need 4-wheel drive to get to the very top, but we can drive all the way up there.
Move! Move!
Ryder, here's the cows. Check out the view. Amazing, right?
No.
We kind of want to build down low on the property because we don't want to have to lug materials up to the very top, and because, come on, Ryder, and because it's bringing water up to the top. We'll have to pump it all the way up because the water source is at the bottom. You know, we've got a spring at the bottom, and then we've got the municipality water supply comes through the bottom of the property as well. And we don't really want to have to bring it up. But there's some really, really nice spots up high that are kind of nicer than the spots down below. In certain regards, but it's nice to be, the view's pretty amazing down there. You can always walk up here. Look at all the vines. Yeah. There's just 2 of them. We're missing 8. We usually hang out together. Look at these twisted vines.
Maybe the other ones are up.
Yeah, you can climb.
Mom?
You can climb too.
Yeah.
So the cows are munching on the fikey beans right now. I think Apparently what I've heard is when they munch on these beans that the milk can get really bitter. One of these is a bull, the other one doesn't produce milk. She's really young, they're small. But we don't think we're gonna keep these ones. We probably are gonna end up eating those ones and bringing some better cows in. Here. Oh. There you go.
We're monkeys. Yeah.
Yeah, seems like Ryder's learning to be a monkey. You're a pretty efficient monkey, whereas Ryder's still learning.
Because he's a baby.
And we found the cows. Yeah. There's the rest of them. Let me carry you.
Yeah.
Okay. Ryder has some trouble walking up these big hills. I don't blame him. Thin air, steep hills. Check it out though. What's up, cows? Dogs, you leave them alone. You be nice. Sit down, Daisy. Ribeye, you sit too. There they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8.
There's one right there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7 down below. Oh, there's another one. All right, 1, 2, 3. Daisy, come here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've counted.
We're missing one.
There's one big bull that I haven't seen. Some of them look almost mature enough to eat.
No.
That one's young. Look how young that one is.
I think that one's pregnant.
This one's pretty mature. She's pregnant.
That one?
She's pregnant.
That one? And that
Yeah, that one's not.
one? That one?
Maybe. And there's the last missing cow. Come here, Daisy. Daisy, here. That's a bull right there. That bull's, he's the most potentially aggressive. Daisy, come with me. So there's all the cows.
Let's come.
This is the last spot. This is a good spot to park. You can drive all the way up from the bottom to here. I'll have to cut this tree down. Super chill cows. Poor enslaved cows. Look at those poor suffering creatures right there. Just suffering. You know, I mean, somebody needs to come and liberate these poor animals. They have spring water. Come on, guys. Those cows drink better water than these people in London, San Francisco, and LA, and New York. These vegans who are protesting your right and my right to eat those cows, right? So I guess, you know, it's so cruel for us to have these animals on our land, cruising around, eating grass, drinking better water than most people in these cities have. It's just totally cruel and oppressive of us. It's insane, right? Totally backwards. Except if he falls from there, he can hurt himself. So I'm gonna pull Ribeye down.
Bobby.
Here, Ribeye. Ari's good. He loves you so much. This little puppy's obsessed with Ariana. Loves her so much. Go, there you go. Now just drop down. Just let go. Watch. Okay. Yeah! She fell. She's going again. She's still not even done crying and she's still going.
Down.
He's fine.
I don't want him to hurt this.
Okay. Oh, you take your boots off.
I see Daisy.
Picnic time. Ants on the banana. Banana ants.
I hear Camilla singing.
They won't bite you.
I think.
Look, we'll just wipe them off, dude. Watch. Look. Wipe them off.
Go. Eat Nana.
Eat the
Eat Nana.
Now, this is a really,
Eat Nana.
really deep philosophical question. If you wipe ants off of a banana, and you might have accidentally killed some ants, Is it still vegan? Is that vegan? Is that ethical?
No, no.
It's not vegan?
No.
The answer is no.
No, no.
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 What are you gonna do right now?
Nope. No.
Eat a banana? Oh, no, don't run up there. No, we stay back here. Don't smear banana on the seats.
Okay, you do too.
Yeah.
This work.
More?
Sure, I can get a little pinch in there. Thanks, Friday. He's not gonna eat the book.